This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Jill Sizemore. Welcome home to the Promenade at John Tyler. This cadenza-style floor plan features a spacious living areas with luxury vinyl flooring in all main living areas. The stunning kitchen opens up with an oversized granite island surrounded by stainless appliances such as a steel double oven range and French door refrigerator. Come home and relax in the screened-in porch on your private balcony. The convenience of a covered front porch and one-car garage with keypad entry make living just a little more easier. The master bedroom suite with his and hers closets and tiled walk-in shower and a well-oversized bonus room with limitless opportunities. This home also contains 2 built-in electric fireplaces, an infrared heater on screened porch, and plantation shutters. Community amenities include pool, park with washing station, clubhouse with demonstration kitchen, workout room, garden grid and park. This home is calling your name.